Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and connecting the Zkteco terminal to your network. Plug it in, assign a static IP if available, and test connectivity. Next, create the administrator account on the device and set a strong password. Write it down securely. Once done, open the device menu and confirm the time zone and NTP settings so logs align with your payroll. Make sure to record the device ID and firmware version for later compatibility checks. You now enroll users and collect biometric templates. Set capture quality to medium-high and scan each finger or face 2-3 times to improve matching. Then import your employee list via CSV, mapping fields like ID, name, department, and employee code, or add users manually when needed. Once templates are linked to records, test verification for a sample group. Press to verify and watch the log register. If accuracy drops, re-enroll the specific templates and retest until consistent. You finish by configuring shifts, attendance rules, and overtime thresholds in the Zkteco software, then assign schedules to employee groups so punches map correctly. Next, export logs to CSV or integrate with your payroll system. Set automatic exports or backups to prevent data loss. Once done, verify monthly reports and reconcile exceptions. If things go wrong, start by resyncing device time, re-enrolling problematic templates, and checking network or firewall settings. That step usually resolves most mismatches promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.